Sir, speaking of Congressman, may update na rin po ba kay Martin Romualdez? And I know na dinidinig na rin po ng mga maestrado ng Sandigan Bayan yung inyong motion po to discharge former Secretary Bonoan. What will happen if
We're very close to
in case
it.
po na hindi ma-approve yung motion?
We're very close to filing the plunder charges, but we still have to cross the T's and dot some I's and probably put periods in sentences. Yun na lang, ganun kalapit na yan. So I didn't deliberately talk about that. Pero the cases are just about ready for preliminary investigation. Mamaya paliliwanag din ko yung concept ng preliminary investigation kung bakit kinakailangan. Kasi marami hindi nakakaunawa, but na-investigan nyo na, meron na naman PI. Eh, ganun po talaga ang lipunan na may sistema ng batas na pinangangalagaan ang karapatan ng bawat isang nasasakdan. Kaya meron tayong preliminary investigation para to protect the rights of people who may be accused of any crime. But we can explain it better later.
But sir, will it still stand without Secretary Bonoan testifying?
Ano yan eh, alam mo, when it comes to a case like that, it's not as simple as you want it to be. You're talking about layers and layers of lawyers, people who will defend up to and go to any extent to defend their client. So hindi ganun kadali. Pero we were managing to thread the needle, so to speak. Kasi para kang dumadaan sa butas ng karayon, pag pinag-aaralan mo, yung taong marunong na at maraming pera at marunong ang abogado. Sinasabi ko na, from the first day that I took office here, ang kalaban namin dito, the people with who have the best lawyers money can buy. Yun ang kalaban namin dito. Kaya marami naiinit. Pero we go to work every day precisely because of that. Dapat deliberate, dapat meron kayong mga binabantayan na mga bagay para pag nabuo yung kaso at final ay hindi siya basta-bastang mawawasak ng Defense Counsel.